Welcome! If you want to get iOS launcher on your Huawei Y6 2019, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. Right now we have to get this application, the first, from the Lutin developer, launcher iOS 13 beta. So let's click on it, click install and just wait. Let's click open. Click allow 3 times. And as you can see here we get a lot of things that we can set up in this launcher, but you can do this later. But right now tap on the home button, go for the settings, tap on the apps, select right now the default apps and pick up the launcher. Click on the iOS launcher 13, click changed, click on the home button, and right now it is going to loading all of our stuff that we have on our smartphone to our home screen. So let's click one more time. And as you can see, we got the notification that is going to change. So click that we got it. And as you can see, here we got the iOS launcher on our Huawei smartphone. You can edit here some widgets also. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.